Welcome back here to the channel, and today we've got some quite exciting and unexpected news yet again coming from DJI, and that is because they have just confirmed their release and arrival of a brand new unexpected DJI drone that might just change things forever. And in today's video, we've got all of the details that you need to know. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with today's episode, which will be quite exciting. And that is because we just saw the official unveil of the new DJI Pocket 4. Something that we kind of did see coming over the span of the last few couple of weeks and months. But something that I did not expect for DJI to go ahead and do at this particular moment in time, after we just saw the release of the Pocket 4, is go and announce another DJI product that is going to be releasing as soon as next week. That's something that I personally cannot remember DJI doing in a long time. And I've been covering DJI news for a lot of years now, and this is something that I've not seen. So what just happened? So DJI just went ahead and shared with all of us on all of their social media pages, including Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, absolutely everywhere. And they shared a teaser of a brand new product that's coming, confirming its release date. And in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys what product it's coming from DJI and why it's so important. So what I would like to go ahead and do right now is share with all of you this teaser that was shared by DJI. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, break it down, and analyze what's coming from DJI next Thursday. So there we have it in screen, and it says the following. So it says just fly April the 23rd in the bottom. But we do see it's kind of like a little bit of a roulette from DJI, and they just spin it around and it just lands on a new drone and Leto. So what could this be? This is very weird for DJI to actually unveil the name of the product line that they're gonna go ahead and release. So it seems like someone new is definitely behind the new marketing strategy of DJI, because we've seen a lot of new things and stuff that we didn't see last year with DJI. So what's coming? What's little? What's this all about? So guys, this will be a brand new drone from DJI, and that's what I like about DJI. Yes, their action cameras are great, their pocket cameras are great, but that's not what DJI is known for. They're known for their drones. And well, they are bringing us a brand new exciting drone to the market, because I'm personally a little tired of all of the FPV FOSS and the little FPV Neo and all of that stuff. I like the big drones. I like the cinematic drones, because that's where we all grew up, and the new DJI 4. So DJI Little, what's gonna be? I'm not gonna go ahead and spoil it right now, because I will not be sharing the photos of the Little right now. That's coming on the next video, so tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. But the Little, just going to give you a little guess of a preview. This will be a brand new DJI drone under 249 grams. Most likely it will be displacing and completely eliminating in the near future the DJI Mini lineup. So that's how big of a deal this DJI Little is. So stay tuned. Next video, I already have all of the specs, pricing, images, absolutely everything from my sources. They just shared it with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the next video, so I don't make this one super long. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section down below whether or not you're all excited to see this release from DJI. I'm personally pretty hyped up, pretty excited. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited, and this one will not be boring, I can promise you that. So stay tuned, get your wallets ready. Next Thursday, DJI Little dropping and available to purchase. Guys, this has been it for today's episode. Drone Emotion signing out.